Guys, I'm Faye and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Phaye Mailu and welcome to my channel. I hope all of you had a lovely week. I hope you're having an amazing day. And this will be the look that I'll be doing for today's tutorial. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. If you find it helpful, share it. Check out the description because I'm going to list the makeup products that I'm going to use. With that being said, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows as usual, and I'm just taking my spoolie and I'm using it to just brush my brows. And I'm going to be using the Davis pencil in the shade 040 to fill in my brows. I am using the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer to just clean up my eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm going to prime my eyelids, and I'm still using the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer to prime. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off camera, and then I'll come back, we can do this side. So I'm going to start with priming my eyelids, and I'm still using the Maybelline Fit-Me to do that. My first eyeshadow shade was the shade Midnight. And then to blend out Midnight, I took the shade Magical Point, which is this brown. My next eyeshadow shade was the shade Pop, which is this burnt orange here. And then for my final shade, I took the shade Burnt Sienna, which is this one here. And then the next step is to cut my crease. And then for my crease color, I still took the shade Pop. So I went ahead and put on my lashes, and now it's time for me to do contour. And the concealer that I'll be using to contour is the Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit-Me foundation, which is in the shade 335. And for concealer, I'll be still using the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer. Now I'm just going to put on some blush. So I'm going to set my face, and I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Okay, so now I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to use a black lip liner to outline my lips. So this is the finished look for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And while you're subscribing, click on the bell icon so that you can get notified the next time I upload. And if you found this video helpful, share it. Also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, they're both at Phaye Mailu. And since you guys are already here, watch one of these two videos. Yeah, just watch. I promise it's good content. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Till next week. Bye.